Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, this is me Lizia and this is my video of joining 1 minute speaking English challenge. I think this challenge is not only a trend but is giving us positive impact for ourselves, getting more confident in speaking English and also giving us motivation to practice our English more. Because the only way to having a good English is to speak. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's an important part of the learning process. So guys, keep practicing and you will see the progress. Believe in yourself and enjoy the journey. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you around. Take care and hasta la vista.